Imurok luangale warino karamoja kesda keo tu aita kadekina kech kanoda kwa naloma kinatari Ikiliok ai bunga ngoro keche noda itosoma itikie kanoda Alanakina Auroma Ikiliok keche genete.
If a woman goes alone, it has brought a lot of violence into people's families. Some men even pick a panga to cut away the harm of the woman. That what is this thing I'm feeling in your harm? Like the family planning method. That you have failed to conceive, it seems something wrong has gone. Bringing already whether divorce or gender-based violence.
The ones that have been giving us trouble have been implants, which you will need, of course, to put an incision on a mother and then you insert. It has caused a lot of gender-based violence in the communities. And we wouldn't also love to have that because some mothers have ended up having these implants removed in a very crude way. The man just cuts and removes it without having an idea that this woman could easily bleed to death because of that.
Ekotos do kwa na Imurok, Ikiliok nyamana rangoro kechade kis, tetere dumnete ai choreta, kanoda ikamanara keda iponesho lu Alanakin Auri, tetere kese pedoreta sekun, Ikielude pedote kesa itosoma kanoda angoro kecha Alanakin Auri.
There is need, as I've just said, to bring also men on board. As we are sensitizing, as we are having the services for family planning, male involvement should be key number one, that even the men should take this, as you are talking to the woman, even you are talking to this man, the benefit of family planning, when to start, and the number of children, so that the two will embrace.
Gradually think that when we continue to speak about child spacing in a different package, and then we are also involving those champions, we are also involving those satisfied clients, I think the modern family planning in Karamoja will take root.
Karada itojo karito sangori kielu adekis, kanoda Alanakin Auri, Ikiliokolu ipu koto marino Karamoja, kesda erike buikinto sangoro kech, aito soma iponesho luwei nono, kanoda waitiktikia potuna mame chamunitai.
Many still see on the negative part when the side effect from somebody who was put on family planning, for example, like excessive bleeding, somebody will say, that bleeding I will even die, like so and so was bleeding. And on the myth of the dual method, like condom use, they say condom killed a very fat woman. Condom can remain inside. So they are not allowed to use the condom. If the man has married you, then the man should never use a condom. Yeah. But they only advocate for natural family planning, which most of the men used to go away to the kraals.
Karamoja sub-region has the lowest uptake of contraceptive. Uptake is lowest in Karamoja. And this is also consistent with what you see in the Uganda Demographic and Health Surveys of 2016. What we have been seeing an increasing use of non-modern methods.
Engareno kukesde chora kisitunga luarino Karamoja, Auri na balo idue lude pedorete kesaidar, kotupiteteja utenelo ibakor, lokwape kwa nerda kiniti kalialu ipuarino Karamoja.
They don't have the food to feed, they cannot take the kids to school, even cannot provide them medical services and even simple things like even clothing. And we are trying to play our role to sensitize and educate our people that these modern family planning methods are very good.
Kanuka TV East, Godfred Eyoku, Karamoja.